I'm from St David's College, which is in the United Kingdom, in a small corner of North Wales. We're very, very close to Manchester Airport and we're a very secure environment. I've come here to Sofia in Bulgaria in order to meet educational consultants in order to expand our international field. We have a particular speciality in helping children with learning barriers to be able to access learning more effectively. Bulgaria seems to be a really good hub for this kind of meeting point, very accessible to the UK and bringing a number of agents together. We found it a really, really valuable, beneficial event, and the organisation EBBS prepared us well in advance and has set up a good organisation for us. I'm sure that in future events that we will want to come and be present to meet even more agents and expand our programme overseas.